so if you all have been watching my videos, you know that I've had some issues with clogging on the tractor. Well, today we are going to try a couple different blades. Ryobi wanted me to try the high lift blade, so we're going to give that a shot. But let's go ahead and see what the brand new blade, which is a typical blade, single blade from the dual blades. I just got the one blade on right now. Let's see how it's cut. I've got to say that the high lift blades or the bagging blades are doing fantastic on this right now. But if you take a look, I've actually pushed all the clippings to the center, and I'm going to try and mow this. So let's see how this does. And I have the guard down, so we're going to see just how much this can actually take. This is not realistic, and I don't think this is something that anyone should really do, but we're going to see if it gets clogged. If it doesn't get clogged, I will fully endorse these blades on this tractor to cut through just about anything. So what you're looking at is unrealistically mowable grass. This is, let me give you a close-up. Super long grass, as you can see right through here. You really shouldn't be cutting grass this long on such a short setting. I was on 3.5, but if we take a look at the clumps, you can see it's a pretty evenly distributed clump. It goes out back through there, and you can see through the heaviest spots where it did build up, right through here, and even right there, that was probably the biggest buildup. But what it did, it had enough pressure to actually push all of the grass out of the deck, and that's what we're looking for. So 2 thumbs up. Well, 1, 2, I'm holding the camera with the other one, but I think this works really well, and I do highly recommend getting the bagging blades if you have the tractor or the Z-turn or any other of the other mowers. How do I getting my words mixed up? But anyways, my name's Brent, this is Lift Free and Tool On. I hope that this was informational on your journey to electric mowing land, and until next time, take care.